guys!
And welcome back to our channel. My name is Jenny.
I am Niley!
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang up-close and personal video ng ating Miss Universe Philippines Kainta 2024. That's Stacey Gabriel sa kanyang personality interview challenge. And by the way, mananalo sa challenge na ito with the most number of votes sa Miss Universe Philippines app gets a spot on the semi-finals. So to vote for Stacey,
just download the Miss Universe Philippines app and then go to the challenge tab. Ayan, third tab siya, nasa pinakadulo or sa pinakailalim ng app, and then scroll down and vote for the one you think should win the challenge.
If you think na si Stacey yung karapat-dapat na manalo sa challenge na to, don't forget to vote for her. Without any further ado, let's watch this. Unahin muna natin ang kanyang OOTD. Ayan, it's very royal blue.
Another blue.
Royal blue na coat and pants.
Feeling ko si Stacey naman, whatever na ilagay mo sa kanya or kung ano yung suot niya, kaya niyang dalhin, and she would end up very, very pretty pa rin talaga.
Oh, I would love to skydive. And
skydive
I would love to take my mom, who is an adrenaline-averse person, skydiving with me. That would be awesome.
That's a very common thing or nasa bucket list ng mga taong very adventurous, very outgoing, ganyan.
Siguro yun yung pinakamataas na challenge para sa mga adrenaline junkie, yung skydiving talaga.
Pinaka number one sa list na gusto nilang gawin.
My whole life has been informed by my mother and grandmother who raised me. And if there's one thing, it would be the love and the legacy that they have built within me, and the love and the legacy that I wish to leave behind because of their love for me.
Ang cute na very personal and very vocal siya sa influence ng kanyang lola, ng kanyang nanay, and they wanted to leave a legacy.
Sa akin parang final question and answer yung mga sagot niya. Ganun, very queenly talaga siyang sumagot, you know.
That thing is very personal naman sa kanya, and di ba makikita mo yung puso niya when it comes to charity. And
yun talaga yung root niya, yung charity talaga.
Oh wow, well, I am quite anxious. And I do have an inner saboteur living in here that I do try. Now I am much better about harnessing her, turning her into power, and using that sensitivity and using that self-awareness to fuel my drive and fuel my ambitions in this world. But if I could choose, I would probably get rid of my inner saboteur.
Ano masasabi mo dun?
I mean, ang simpleng question, bibigyan kanya ng complex yet very personal, meaningful na sagot.
Ano na relatable?
Yeah.
Oo. Nung lakas mo ka RuPaul, nanonood to ng RuPaul. Inasabi to.
And yeah, it's very powerful. Powerful yung kanyang words, and napaka-ano din ito, lovable talaga siya.
Sa akin siguro that's the greatest challenge, na if you completely get rid of your inner saboteur, yun na talaga yung parang pinakamataas na, pero I think hanggang kaya lang natin talaga i-manage niya. Meron tayong talagang parang pushback every time.
If you think na si Stacey yung deserving manalo sa challenge na to, don't forget to vote for her on the Miss Universe Philippines app. Just go to the challenge tab and hanapin niyo yung picture niya and vote niya na. So yeah guys, thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!